16.
16.
The 17th
One
one.
after the other. Tell me one quality.
Auspicious marks on his body.
Beauty,
Genius.
cleverness,
Highly learned. Highly clever.
Very
Learn.
Krishna can do
Artistic.
Krishna can do multitasking.
Multitasking. Oh, that you learned. Oh, very good. Okay, these are the qualities that we learned, right? Okay. So now moving to this sloka revision. We will do this sloka revision. Okay. Two kids at a time, or 3 kids at a time. We will go. Okay, Shreya, Pranav, and another. I don't know what's the name. How to call that name?
Many.
Okay, 3 kids. Okay.
Vinita Gandharvika Mataji, can you make me host? I will share my screen.
Okay. You are there.
Mataji?
You are there. Okay, Mataji, take over, Mataji.
The next quality starts with the A, I think.
No, the next quality starts from a G. It's grateful.
Oh.
Yeah, grateful. I can tell
Looks
you
like
all
an
the
A.
qualities. Okay, strong, ever youthful,
It says grateful right on the top.
truthful,
See, it says in the file name.
fluent, highly learned,
Yeah.
highly intelligent, genius.
Okay,
Highly clever, genius, beauty, intelligence, and
okay. We will start the shloka. Mataji, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji.
Okay.
Can everyone keep themselves mute because Mataji's voice comes a little low than everyone?
Okay. So, who raised the hands? Who wants to say the shloka? Pranav. Okay. Pranav, Rishikesh, Mukund. Can you all go with the first shloka?
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Nashina Briguraham Giramashmekamaksharam Yajnanam Japa Yajnasmi Stavaranam Himalaya. Hare Krishna.
Translation?
she said translation.
Yeah, my voice has a problem. I'm fixing it. Who wants to say the translation? Ramachandra?
Okay. Of the great sages, I am Bhrigu. Of the vibrations, I am the transcendental Om. Of the sacrifices, I am the chanting of the holy name Japa. And of the immovable things, I am the Himalayas.
Next shloka, who wants to say?
Me, Rai Prahalad.
Okay, who wants to go with Prahlad?
Can let's go, please. Can share.
Who wants to go with Prahlad?
I can can share. Listen.
Okay, Mokshit, Prahlad, and Ojasvi.
Bodhasam Nami Partha Brahaspatim Enani Namaham Skandra Samasmi Sakara.
Translation, Ojasvi.
Yes, Mataji. Of praise, O Arjuna, know me to be Chief Brihaspati. Of generals, I am Kartikeya, and of bodies of water, I am the ocean. Thank you, Mataji.
Okay. Who wants to say the next? What happened? Who wants to say this? Aya, what's happening?
Okay.
Can I say, Mataji?
Who is I? Who is that I?
The lesson. The lesson.
Okay, go ahead.
Maharshinam Brigoraham Giramasmekam Aksharam Yajnanam Japayajnosmi Stavaranam Himalaya.
Thank you, Mataji.
Translation, Keshavi.
Of the great sages, I am Brigu. Of vibrations, I am transcendental Om. Of sacrifices, I am the chanting of the holy names, Japa. And the invulnerable,
Immovable.
immovable things, I am the Himalayas. Thank you, Ramachandra. Hare Krishna.
Okay. Who else wants to say shloka?
I want to Mataji.
Whose name? What's the name?
Juba.
Okay. Who else wants to go with him? Is there anybody else?
Can Shreyash go, Mataji?
Yes. Okay. Shreyas and yeah, both of you can go together.
Maharshinam Bhrigu Aham Giramashmi Ekamaksharam Yagnanam Rapayagnoshmi Stavaranam Himalayah.
Very good. You both said in good chorus. What about translation? Who wants to say?
Mataji, can share it?
Yes, go ahead.
Of the great sages, I am Bhrigu. Of the vibrations, I am the transcendental Om. Of sacrifices, I am the chanting of the holy name, Japa. Of the immovable things, I am the Himalayas.
Very nice. Who else? Who knows the shloka just by heart without seeing? All of you got it?
I think I got it.
Yeah, you all just get it by hearing, right? When you say by hearing, I get it.
But I'm not sure.
Okay, so is there anybody else who wants to say shloka, or can we get into the discussion? Anybody else? No one? Okay. I'm so sorry. In like 5 minutes, it is a little bit mess. Daylight savings, right? So I'm just a little bit getting adjusted in the schedule. Okay. So I know Mukund was saying today's quality is grateful. Grateful. What was the topic yesterday? What did Vrinda Mataji say?
He is an expert.
Expert.
He is an expert. Oh, very nice. Okay. So today is grateful. So let's see. Let's get into it.
Mataji,
Hmm?
this is Shubhadra. I did not say the shloka.
Okay, quick.
Shubhadra's birthday, Mataji. We can wish her after she says the shloka.
Oh, Shubhadra's birthday. Very nice. Wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday. May you always be, may you have many, many good, healthy and happy Krishna conscious years. Okay. She's
Happy
very,
Krishna
very,
conscious birthday, Subhadra.
Happy Krishna
yeah.
birthday.
She looks
Thank
so
you,
beautiful.
Ramchandra. Thank you, Mukund.
You look very beautiful.
Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, go ahead. Say the shloka.
पुरोदसं च मुख्यमां विधिपाठ बृहस्पतिं सेनानिनम् अहं स्कन्द सरसम् अस्मि सागरः.
Translation. You say.
Of priests, O Arjuna, know me to be the chief Brihaspati. Of generals, I am Kartikeya. And of bodies of water, I am the ocean.
Where is your brother?
My brother is in next room, Mataji.
Oh. So are you doing homeschooling?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, I was thinking so. Good. Okay.
I'm 7 years old.
The 70. Where do you live?
I live in New Orleans, Kenner.
Oh, you're just 7. So nice. Very sweet.
Thank you,
Very
Mataji.
Wonderful.
Subhadra, which grade are you?
Around 3rd.
I'm in first grade. Grade.
Okay, okay. These days I see her in the drawing classes also.
Wow.
Okay, so let's get into our discussion. Again, we'll not get time. Vinita Gandharvika Mataji will not even give us a minute extra. So we have to be on time. Okay. So what is meant by grateful? Let me see how many of you are very good at ELA reading. Pranav. Yes, Pranav. Oh, I'm showing it, right? I should have covered it. What's meant by
Yeah, let me
grateful?
know the meaning.
It's grateful. It's like when you're thankful to someone and you're grateful to them. So like maybe later on you might help them in some way because you're grateful to them.
Okay, so what is the spelling of grateful? Who can say? Quick.
GRATEFLUL.
I know, Mataji.
Who said FLUL? Ha. You have to.
GRATEFUL.
GRATEFUL.
Okay, okay. I was just, the spelling bee test they do. I was just asking you.
I
Good.
went inside the spelling bee, so I know it.
Yellow class.
So let's see now. Today you said grateful. Grateful means Pranav, and some of you said it's being thankful. Like when somebody does something to us, we remember it and we are thankful to them. We are grateful to them throughout our life. Like okay, in general, if you remember, like if I have to ask you for an example, or like if immediately in a second I will ask you, Pranav, come on, tell me whom are you grateful for? So let's see that. Wait. All of you, I will ask quickly one person, you have to say that, okay? Quickly, we'll do it for a minute. Balavrinda, quick, in a second, you have to say who are you grateful for.
Mataji, I'm grateful for Krishna.
Okay, Akshita.
I'm grateful for
Mama, you're looking at your mom.
I'm grateful for my parents.
Wonderful. Mokshit.
I'm grateful for everyone.
Grateful for everyone. Tulsi.
Mataji, can I go after Tulsi?
Yes, one more and then we will go in discussion, okay?
I'm grateful for Krishna.
Okay. Somebody said they wants to go next.
Me.
Okay,
Can I go next?
Mataji, can I go next?
Okay. Wait.
Mataji, we have a new kid, Mataji.
You have a new kid.
Her name is Mila, or how do we pronounce?
Myla or something like that.
Huh?
I think it's
How do we pronounce your name?
Mila.
Mila. Okay. Mila, you want to say whom you want to be grateful for?
I'm grateful for my mom.
Mom, wonderful. Suraj.
Can I go, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. So, I'm grateful for having like
Come
I'm
on, quick. In a second, whom you can think of.
I'm grateful for having this human birth and also being grateful for having everything.
Very good.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Keshvi, after that we
I'm
Yes.
grateful for my parents and Krishna, and thankful for Prabhupada because he gave us the holy names. Mataji, can I go?
Mataji, can Mukund go?
Mataji, can Subhadra go?
Okay. Subhadra, go ahead.
I'm grateful. I think I'm grateful. Mataji,
Yes, Subhadra, go ahead.
I am grateful for Radha and Krishna.
Very good. Next, who
To
wants
offer some.
Mataji, can Mukund go?
Mukund, go ahead.
I'm grateful for Srila Prabhupada, then Krishna, then my parents, then Bhakti Sangha Japa group.
Very good. Very good.
Ramchandra say?
I'm grateful for your association, Mukund. Who wants to go next?
Ramachandra.
Oh, Ramchandra, go ahead.
I'm grateful for Krishna's mercy and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Hari bol. Very nice. Very nice. Who wants to go
Chaitanya
next?
Mahaprabhu ji is in your back.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is in his back. Yes.
Yeah.
Hey Krishna, I'm so sorry. Today my internet is so bad. I'm so
You
sorry.
just kicked out.
So the kids told who are they grateful. You can just get it to the topic, Mataji.
Okay, can you make me the host? Okay, so who do you think is grateful? You think Krishna is grateful or we are grateful? Who will win?
Krishna.
We have to be grateful.
Krishna.
No, I am not asking who to be grateful. I am asking if we keep a competition, like if we are grateful or Krishna is grateful, who do you think will win?
Krishna.
Obviously, Krishna.
Krishna.
Because,
Krishna.
because
why
we
should
know way
Krishna-
more people.
But
than
why
Krishna will win.
No, but why should Krishna be grateful then? What is the need for him? He doesn't need to be, right? You're saying Krishna will win. Then what is the Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. He has everything. He's Atmaram. He doesn't need anybody. But why he should be grateful? Let's see, okay? Why do you think we should be? Do you agree that we should be grateful?
Yes, Mataji.
Why?
Because Krishna gave us shelter. Because Krishna made this universe where we can take birth, and he made this human body so that the soul can enter in and worship him.
No, okay. That is
And he
all.
gave oxygen.
No, that is all there. But I was hearing one lecture on gratitude, and they were saying one has to be grateful because that's a very good quality if you have to progress in the spirituality. If you have to progress, you be grateful. Like you're on the picture, you're seeing soil, you're seeing seeds, and the seeds, when you put in the soil, what will happen? The seeds are in the soil.
Start to grow.
They will grow.
They
But
grow.
They're in the process of growing.
okay, sometimes the seed is good, you're going to water them every day, but still the seed doesn't grow. Did you ever face that? Sometimes I face here. I plant, but they
Yes,
don't.
Mataji.
Because there's no sun.
Sun, yeah, sun. We have plenty amount of sun here in Florida.
Water.
Yeah, no.
Sometimes they don't want to, so they don't.
No,
Yeah,
so what
lots of
happens
water.
is, see, if our heart is compared to the soil, gratitude tilts the heart. When it is tilt, then the tilling process, right? Then what happens? The soil becomes more fertile, like that. So similarly, if we don't have gratitude, like if the seeds are good and you're watering every day, but the soil is bad, then the plant don't come, right? So similarly, your heart is there, you're giving the holy name, but if you don't have gratitude, it doesn't become fertile and nothing grows there. You don't grow spiritually. So for all of us, being grateful is so important, because every day we are pouring the Harinam on the seed of our devotion. Like heart is there, heart is like a soil, the seed is devotion, and for the seed you are pouring the water of Harinam, but the soil is not fertile, then what is the point? So if your heart has to become fertile, you should be very, very grateful. Just like the soil needs to have fertility, if you observe, even your mom, if you see, even for Tulsi Maharani, after few months we try to take the top soil and put the new soil, because it needs more nourishment, it will become more fertile. So we keep changing, right? We take care of the soil's fertility. Similarly, we have to take care of our heart's fertility also. So we should be very grateful. Okay.
I can't see you. Mataji, I joined a little late.
Yes. What?
Mataji,
Yes.
I joined late.
It's okay. No problem. We just started.
Mataji on the picture.
So you just answered to this question. Who in this world is so grateful and thankful?
Prabhupada and Chaitanya
Srila Prabhupada.
Mahaprabhu.
No, you just answered. In this world, as I just asked, if we keep a competition between the Jiva and the Supreme Controller, you just answered that Krishna only will win in being, like, if he is he will be the most grateful person. So let's see why. And I just asked you this question: why do Krishna has to be grateful? Right. So we'll see that also. And last week, when we discussed the quality, we discussed the shloka in Bhagavatam, where it is mentioned that everything comes from Krishna. So even the good qualities that a jiva possesses also come from Krishna. So see, Krishna, if you see, why am I saying he's the... Why am I saying that? Please give me a minute. Why am I saying that he will be the winner he will be the most grateful person? What happened? So why am I saying that? Because however offensive a person is, however bad, however violent, however sinful, and if somebody is like, if they're enemies to the God also, but still God never leaves our heart. Suppose I come to Ramachandra's house and I start scolding Ramachandra, or I start, dominating him, or maybe Jagannath. I can say Jagannath because they're the same age. So what will Ramachandra do? Ramachandra will say, just leave my house. Right? Or if Ramachandra is not treating properly, let me put it this way. So Jagannath comes and Ramachandra is not taking good care. He's ill-treating him. He's not taking good care. Then what will Jagannath do? Will Jagannath stay in your house? Will you stay, Jagannath? He will leave the house. But see, Krishna, time and again, millions of birth, so many lifetimes, we are saying, we don't want you, we don't want you, we don't want you. We are not even looking at him. If your kids, we look at the video games. If your elders, we look at YouTube, right? Krishna is sitting right there. We don't look him there, but still Krishna is not leaving us. You become a worm, he follows you. You become a fish, he follows you. You become a bug, he follows you. Why? Why he has to do that? Because, let's see. So, why? Because if you chanted something, suppose there's a good, if you're not Krishna consciousness also, if you just appreciate one devotee also, Krishna even counts that. He will not forget that. He will think, oh, this devotee Mukund, he appreciated my devotee. So, no, this boy Mukund, he appreciated my devotee Rishikesh. Wow. And he will give 1 point. Though you don't follow any regulative principles, he will still remember that how many million years ago. See, now comes here. So if your friend just yesterday till yesterday is your good friend, but there is some difference of opinions, you kids might have faced it, right? In school or somewhere, you will say, he's not my friend anymore. Just because one small thing, small difference comes, you say like that. But Krishna, just 1 point is remembering, but we forget all the 100 good things that our friend has, or our relative has, or our family member has, and we will hold that one bad thing that has happened, and we will say, I don't want to talk to this person. But Krishna doesn't see that. Even 10 million births, Krishna remembers what good thing that person has done. One thought, like you come to a satsang, or you help in cooking, or you just buy a book of Krishna, like the spiritual books, anything related to Krishna, he remembers. Or you just appreciate, wow, your prasadam is so good. That is like Suraj. Suppose Suraj is sitting, his mama makes very good, nice prasadam. Suppose his friend appreciates, then he will get good night. Krishna remembers that also. So Vishwanath
Mataji, how did you guess that my bowl is right in front of me?
I know that. So then Shri Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, he explains that, see, even if a devotee serves Krishna for 1,000 universal creations, not one creation, 1,000 universal creations also, if a devotee serves Krishna, he can never pay back towards Krishna. We are still indebted. We can never be, if at all we are very good devotees, we think, oh, Krishna, you have done a lot to us, we have to pay you back. Even in 1,000 universal creations, you cannot pay back. So that much debt we have towards Krishna. So that much Krishna is doing to us. So let's see. Let's see few examples of where Krishna remembers few things. Okay.
We've learned this pastime.
I know, I'm not saying the pastime. We are just taking the example.
I forgot his name.
Yeah, Ajamila.
Ajamila.
What did Ajamila do? He was born in a nice Brahmin family. He studied Shastras. Like
his name was.
He got intoxicated.
I don't remember the name, but then he called out.
He did all the bad things and went out of dharma, and he.
Okay, I got you. Good. So what we are saying, Ajamila did nice, like Shastric study. He was a very good Brahmin. He was doing everything nicely, but he fell down. So imagine, now you're all small children, maybe it is too much for you to think. But if you see in today's society, if somebody does bad, we see only the bad thing. We say, oh, this boy did like this, unknowingly sometimes we tend doing. So they see only the bad. But Ajamila did all the bad things. And what did Krishna do? What did Krishna do? One time he called Narayan, Narayan at the last. Then Krishna thought, oh, he's calling me now. And what did Krishna do? He gave a second chance. So Krishna remembered, Krishna was so thankful that, oh, Ajamila did at least so much. And he was very grateful. See, when you're, suppose, let me take an example of Mukund. Suppose Mukund is there. So imagine I am Mukund's next door neighbor, and Mukund is like, every day he comes to my home, I teach him something, I feed him something. So he thinks like, oh, I'm so grateful to my to Padmasakhi Mataji, right? So, but if I do something, one mistake, what will Mukund say? Maybe I'm saying, he might say like, oh no, Padmasakhi Mataji did like this. So immediately, no, I don't mean he says that. I'm just saying as an example. So that's what we see. But Krishna never thought that, right? So being grateful is what? Whether you do bad or good, you remember what good that person has done for you, and you'll always remain grateful to that person. You don't see bad. You'll think, oh, when I was in need, this Mataji helped me. When I was in need, this person helped me. So Krishna is also thinking, oh, this lifetime, this person was thinking about me. So it's okay. Let me let it go. Like that. He thinks like that. Very small. Krishna does so much that we are so indebted to Krishna that 1,000 universal creations also we are not going to pay back. But one minute thing we do, Krishna, feels grateful for that only, thankful for that.
Mataji, I've got a question.
Huh?
Well, not a question, but I've got an example. So my example is that, like for example, there's a queen. She has a maid. If the maid does one mistake, like for example, she's like a person who doesn't know about Krishna, and she has a maid. The maid, if she does one mistake, the queen will go running around the house so mad.
Yes,
That's
what I'm saying.
Prahlad Maharaj.
These days servants also in India. Last time I went to India, then my mother had a servant. So what happened, because my mother came here to US, she had to change a servant because, whatever reasons she had to change. And when she was working in my mom's home, my mom used to take very good care of her, giving, a lot of food, so many gifts. But just because my mom changed her, she doesn't even look at my mom's face when she sees my mom on the road. So that's what I'm saying. People are like that. You take good care, but they don't remember all the good. They just remember the bad thing that you did to them. But so-called bad thing. So now the next example. Who are these?
Krishna and the monkeys.
Krishna and the monkeys.
These monkeys. Who are all these monkeys?
He is feeding them butter. The monkeys are the sages from Treta Yuga.
So Krishna was grateful. He said, you did so much for me. So next life when I come, I will pay you back. So that's why, see, Krishna was always so friendly, right? So Krishna was grateful even to the monkeys. If you say monkey, what will you say? Hechichi, go, like that you will say, right?
Because all what they can do is steal your things, and especially get your bananas.
So scared of pets. If you see any pet, I do like that. I'm like, oh, please.
Mataji, if I met a monkey, I would say, "Shoo, get away! You're smelly."
Like,
yes, you're yucky.
Mataji, when Lord Ram was there, then the monkeys over there who had built the stone bridge and had helped him fight, they became the monkeys in the Vrindavan, and the sages in the forest that he had met in the exile, they became the gopis.
Yeah, correct.
Mataji, like one time.
Even yes, we will see the next and we will talk. Okay.
Mataji.
Okay. Now who is this? Who knows?
Kubja.
Yeah, I remember. Krishna stepped on her foot and then pushed her up and stuff.
No, see what did Kubja?
What paste?
No, what did Now see, Kubja has Trivakra. If you remember, we discussed this past time. Like she has bent, like she's her body is bent in three places, and she was so ugly. But she used to make the best, so super scented oils. So every day she used to take to Kamsa. She used to take to Kamsa's place. But that day when she saw Krishna, she didn't even think what Kamsa will say. Usually we'll get scared, right? What will my master say? She didn't do anything. She just offered her service. She offered the sandalwood paste that she made, the oils to Krishna. So what did Krishna do? Krishna immediately made her. He just touched her and she became so beautiful. So for one small thing she did, see how nicely he reciprocated. Any small thing he doesn't forget.
I think she had a curse.
He got a cut. Yeah. That's the difference.
She actually got a benediction.
Yes.
She was actually a Shurpanaka in her
Correct. She was Shurpanaka. Correct.
And she did meditation.
But did Krishna think that, oh, in last life, you're Shurpanaka, you are that, you are this? He didn't do that, right? Just one thing she did, and he was so thankful, and he made her so beautiful. Let's see the next slide. Next example.
The woman was actually crooked.
Yeah.
Hunchback.
So what is this?
Draupadi.
Draupadi.
Unlimited calories.
Mataji, when Krishna had killed then when the chakra had returned, it cut his finger, and Draupadi used her sari and put it on to repair that.
Because Draupadi did that, because when Krishna got hurt, Draupadi with her cloth, she tied like a band-aid. So what did Krishna do? When Draupadi was in need, he showed how, like, he reciprocated in that thankful way, right? When we are great. So see, these days, parents take very good care of you. They really work so hard, day in, day night, right? They do everything. They think about you, especially the, especially Indian parents are like that. They're always kids, but their life lingers around kids. But you know what, these days parents, like the kids are doing so many orphanages. They're not even grateful. You know what is grateful? They will think, oh, my parents took very good care, so when they are in need, let me help. Nobody's thinking like that. They send parents to the old age homes. See how Kali Yuga is progressing. It will be so worst. 30-40 years, by the time you become big and we become old with sticks, it's going to become so bad. So now Krishna is nicely reciprocating. There are so many examples we can quote, but we are just taking a few. And what did Krishna say to the gopis? It's there in Krishna book chapter 32, if I'm not wrong. Krishna says that it's highly impossible to repay to you. He's talking to the gopis. I can never pay back to you. I can never show enough gratitude for your love. So the Supreme Personality of Godhead is saying that. What are we? We feel so egoistic to be grateful. We think we are great. Because we think we are great, it is very difficult to be to show gratitude.
In one of the little Krishna scenes, when Krishna got all the mangoes down, like the monkey Krishna used to play with, said he did it.
Yeah. So one last example we will end. So Sanatan Goswami, he's one of the Goswamis. So every day he used to go to Govardhan Parikrama, and how much service he did for the Lord. So what did Krishna do? Sanatan Goswami became very old, more than 70 or 60s. Then Krishna stood on the Giri Govardhan and he played the flute, and he gave his, like, see, you see here it's in Radha Damodar temple. He gave this like cow and his Tribhanga position. The rocks got melted and the
Shaligram Shila.
Yeah, no, not Shaligram Shila. When Krishna stood on the Govardhan hill, when he started playing flute, the rock melted and his feet and the cow's feet got imprinted on this stone. And Krishna gave that stone and he said, every day don't come here. You please circumambulate around this. Please don't come. So see, Krishna was so thankful. He was taking care of Sanatan Goswami that he became so old and he was thinking he can't walk, and he took care of him. He said, circumambulate around this stone and then that's enough. So Krishna reciprocates. He feels so grateful to Every little thing that we do. Can you think of any few who are not grateful? Who are not grateful?
Kamsa.
Kamsa. Kamsa.
Demons.
You can take Sugriva. Sugriva, Rama helped Sugriva, but Sugriva forgot and he was enjoying.
He enjoyed his palace.
And also Duryodhana. Actually, it was not Duryodhana's kingdom. You should be grateful that he at least got, Pandavas just asked only 5 villages, right? But still he was not grateful for what he got, and he did all that havoc because of him.
Kind of like a promise.
Yeah, so that's about it. And how do you think we can be grateful? Any ideas?
Mataji,
Humble. We should
we
be
can
humble
be
and tolerant.
grateful by
No, yeah. Okay.
We need to be tolerant as grass.
we can be happy with what we have.
Mataji, for some reason
Satisfied.
on the slide it says can.
Okay. So we can be grateful as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You all know the shloka Sikshashtakam. So one should be humble, one should be tolerant, one should not have false prestige, one should give respect to all. How come gratitude develops? Gratitude will develop only when you're humble. Because somebody helps you. You think, it's okay, they didn't do anything, I only did by myself. That you cannot think that I did it because of them if you're not humble. Only when you're humble, you will think that, oh, but my parents, I did it by Krishna's help, by devotees' mercy, or by my friends' help, my teacher's help, it has happened. If you are very headstrong, if you have false ego, you will start thinking, I did everything by myself. So you should be very humble if you have to be grateful. That is why, what did Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said? You have to string this verse on the thread of holy name and wear it around your neck so that you will remember this always. If you're not humble, you will never be grateful because you'll feel so great of yourself. That's the thing. So that is how we, that's how we can become grateful. So every day we have to remember this shloka as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying. And Srila Prabhupada, see how grateful he was towards his Guru Maharaj. He always used to mention about his Guru Maharaj and about his parents, right?
Mataji, if we sing it by ourselves, like if we sing a song by ourselves, do we take the credit or do we give the credit to our friends, our teachers, or our parents or something?
What was the question? Can you all get a paper and pencil meanwhile?
I guess we would get the credits.
What was the question?
She said, if we
She said
say
if
the
we do
shloka,
anything
if we say the shloka, do we get the credit or our friend or parent or
No, if you offer it to your friends will also get it. You'll say, I'm saying this on behalf of my friends. I'm saying this on behalf of my
No, not
friends.
like that. Like if we sing it by ourselves without any help.
Yeah.
Oh, if you sing it by yourself, yes. Good, very good, do that.
No, would anyone else get credit other than you?
No, if you read it, you will only get it.
Yeah.
Unless and until you pray, saying that you offer it to somebody along with you. If you pray for somebody else, then it will go for them also. Okay, we have I think 20 minutes, so can we quickly get a paper, pencil? Quick, please. Because I want to zoom it. Quick. Go quick. We don't have time.
What are we making?
We are drawing. You see, it's very simple. No, not Rangoli. We are doing
What are we drawing?
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's face.
Oh.
Can you all get pencil, paper? I'm joining.
What do you want?
Huh?
Mataji, did you know what?
This is on Facebook. Can I watch it later and do it later?
Yes, no problem.
Thank you, Mataji.
Mataji, you're on mute.
Vinita Gandharvika Mataji, can you spotlight me? I joined from Jagannath Dina Krishna's name.
Hello?
Yes, Mataji, I will do that.
Okay.
Mataji, it is not on. Video is not on.
It is not. Oh, we don't.
Yeah, I see it now, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, you mute yourself, okay?
Yes, Mataji, mute.
Mataji, can you stop your presentation?
Yes, give me a minute.
Yeah, I will stop that. I stopped it.
Mataji, just all of you, please give me a minute, okay?
Mataji, you can do one thing. You just show and let's see their creativity today, how they're going to draw without teacher.
Just give me a minute,
Because
Mataji.
today we are a little late, so that also help them to learn something without the help of teacher.
Your spotlight.
Krishna, just give me a minute. Where did this go?
Do you want me to project that?
Krishna, you're so funny.
Sure, Vrinda.
Okay.
Masaki Mataji, do you want?
Yes, Mataji, can you please show that on the screen?
Okay. I'm going to do that. Yeah. You can put it on the WhatsApp first. Kids can see from there.
Mataji, I'm not able to
Post it
show.
on WhatsApp. I'm also going to download it.
Can't you like flip? You can't flip it on Zoom.
No, I'm flipping.
Mataji, are we doing drawing?
Yeah, we can see Mataji. Yes.
If no, Vinita Gandharvika Mataji will also show it on the screen. Mataji, can you please show?
Yes, Mataji. Yes. Only 1 second.
Hi.
I am also I just have to do one thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yes. What happened?
Okay.
Okay. 1 second.
Nothing.
Gonna come on the screen. Give us 1 second. It's black screen. It'll loud. 1 second.
No, see, today we are drawing. What you will do is very easy, like a face. See, like this, and the chin. It's very quick and easy, okay? Okay, draw like that. Ready? Just 2 lines and like a V.
Which one are you doing?
I'm saying it's very easy. It's very easy. We can finish in 10 minutes.
It looks like the top of a white pillar.
No, did you all finish till here?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. That tilak or what?
No. So after this,
Yeah, look at the picture. This is the picture she's drawing.
Mataji, can they see mine also?
Yours is small though. Your screen is very small.
You're not spotlighted, Mataji? Padmasaki Mataji?
Even though she is, the screen is taking up most of the space.
Yeah. Just to, for a second we are showing you this, and then I'm going to stop that. Okay, you are drawing this.
Okay.
I'm stopping now. Now you can see Padmasaki Mataji.
Yeah. So after that, what we will do is, see, this is the hair part. So you're just doing the partition like that.
Okay.
Okay, did you all finish?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, I'm still. Mataji, I did the whole thing, like the face.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, after that, now what you're going to do is, see, we are starting the hair. We just do like this. Okay. See, just lightly sketch. And then do like this ball here. Are you all doing till here?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
I was
Yes,
drawing.
Mataji.
And then
I
just
was drawing this very, 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 very small.
Dini Krishna. So just draw like this.
This looks pretty small.
Yeah, it's small, just the face. Okay. You can just later sketch. You can put hair. I kept everything ready. PowerPoint అయిపోయింది నేను వచ్చేస్తాను. Are you all finished? See, you're just doing this partition. Then we just do like this. And the top we keep this wall kind of thing. Here, knotted here. Then you just, hey, don't. Then you just,
mine looks bad. Mine looks bad.
okay. Did you all finish it? It's very easy. See, we just draw 2 lines. Then we just keep like this. You can shape it out later. Then you do the partition. Then you do like this. Then you keep like that. Then you bring this like very easy. Okay. Are you done till there?
Yes,
No, Mataji, I'm still working.
Yes, Mata.
Mataji, I'm also working.
Okay. Now we will do the eyebrows. Okay. Eyebrows, leave the place for tilak, or you can just draw tilak first. So this tilak should be here, like center, like to this. I'm just showing for your understanding. So you'll have tilak like that. Okay. Now these are the eyebrows. Okay. Are you done till here?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. No, Mataji. No, Mataji.
See.
Hello? Mataji, there's an echo.
Mataji,
Mataji, can you tell me how to do the eyebrows again?
Yeah, see, eyebrows are just your drawing like this. I'm just showing separately. And here is the tilak, right? So what you're doing, after this, see the eye. So your eye should be like an oval, okay? And on top of this, it comes like that. You can just curve a bit if you want like that.
Yeah, you can.
So this is how you draw the eyes. What? Why?
echoing, Mataji. Mataji, what to do next?
Now we are drawing eye. See, when you're drawing eye, just leave some white space. Don't shade that. Like
What do you
this.
do, Mataji?
When you draw, just leave some.
Do you draw a dot in the middle, or can we make it a little bigger if you want, like the whole thing?
Yeah, you can make bigger. See, if you draw eye, then the eyeball, just keep.
Hello?
Stop saying
Echo.
I left the meeting from there. Okay.
Can you hear
Can you hear us?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji, now it's perfect. Bye.
So you just left like that, and I'm saying you have to just leave that one white dot. Don't shade everything.
Mataji, do we do the other two
Correct.
the eyes and the other one eye, like not from the body. Do we do that, or do we just do the face?
Repeat later.
Yes. So after you do this, see your tilak can come a little bit long. Then you know how to draw the mouth. You just keep 2 dots. I'm looking at the phone and drawing. So then you do like this. Then you keep like that. Oh, sorry. Let me erase. I'm so sorry. Yeah. So you have to just put 2 dots. Do like this, like that. See? See, you have to just do a dot. Do like that. Just do like a 3 and then put a small thing. Or you can just do like this and do like this and then do like that. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the screen and drawing, so it might not be very.
Can we just do a normal smile or do we do the lips one?
Yeah, lips are very easy. Just 2 dots, 1 line, 1 3, and then 1 small U. That's it. And then for the
What about the nose?
nose, you just keep like that. That's it. Okay. And then you will draw.
Mataji, what about the ears?
Ears are covered there. You can just bring like this a little bit near the hair. Okay. See, you can shade like that. On the hair, you can just shade like that to bring the. What are you doing, Jagannath? Okay. So after that, you draw the neck. I'm looking at the screen and I'm just looking at the phone and drawing. Yenti Jagannath?
Mataji, I colored the hair with some black crayons. Is that okay?
We
need to forward to Nana.
So this is the neck beads. You can draw the kantimala. Okay.
Yours is so thin.
Jagannath, where is that? Jagannath, I want to see that. I told you.
Mataji, how many like beads do we do? Like how
Three
many?
lines. And then see, there is this effulgence you can draw around him. Just like effulgence.
What are we
Like,
drawing again, Mataji?
huh?
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's face. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
Yes.
Can you show how to draw the lips again?
Lips. See, you just keep 2 dots. Okay. Then you can just do like a little bit bent U like that.
Like a smile.
And then joining these 2 dots, you draw a 3 and then you just put a small U.
Okay.
I can do it, Amma, for you.
Which one is it, Amma? Mataji, my lips are not coming out. Only the smile is coming out.
Let me show.
Dina Krishna. Okay, you can show.
Can you show the lip?
Lip. Okay, Dina Krishna. Wait.
How can I show?
It's okay.
I want to
Okay, Dina Krishna wants to show. Okay, show. Quick.
Okay.
I can't see Dina
Wait,
Krishna.
wait. When they see.
తొందరగా టైం లేదు. 2 dots. And then a U. See, he's joining the 2 dots. Then you do a 3. He's drawing fat lips. And then a small U. Stop. No, time లేదు. See, 2 lines. Just do like this. A very small 3 kind. And then a small U.
I got it. Mataji.
Okay, so we are just drawing face. I'm so sorry, there are so many things around. And you can just draw around him the effulgence that Mataji has shown, right? In the So you just draw around him. And this is just the face of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Maybe we can show that also.
Mataji, where's the body?
Huh? We don't, if we draw body, then we will take we need 1 hour. I can teach you.
Hour?
Yeah, it takes 1 hour. Dancing position, his hair, his legs, garland. It will take
You
1
can
hour.
build off of this.
Huh?
You just build off of this.
Yeah, you can do that. See, so we just drew the face like this. You're all seeing, right?
Yeah.
was a good drawing, Mataji.
In another week is gonna be Gaur Purnima.
Yeah. Maybe next week we can try to draw.
Mataji, can we do it from the home by ourselves, the body?
Yes, you can draw. That's what Ramachandra was saying, right? You can build it up.
I can do it. I will do it. I know.
You can draw his hands.
Mataji, this is Akshita.
Where is Akshita's? Nakshu picture Akshita. Ah, very nice, Akshita.
Mommy, can I see it?
Akshita drew very nicely.
Wow.
Very beautiful. Very nice, Akshita. Who is there? Is there anybody else who wants to show?
Yes, Mataji.
Wow, very beautiful. Look at this. What's your name? What's that?
Prasanna, I'm new.
Wow, very nice. Look, can you show once again? Vinita Gandharvika Mataji, can you spotlight him?
There's a new kid, Prasanna.
Mataji.
Ah,
Awareness spot, for whom are to spot, Mataji?
look at Rishikesh. He already finished. Very good, beautiful.
Wow, Rishikesh is so nice.
I want to show mine.
Wait. You must have him show. Wait, let me show Rishikesh.
Mukund, see, I am also going to build mine and I will send you in the group. His hands, raised hands. Very nice. Rishikesh.
Mataji, is
Go
this
fast.
good?
Sri Krishna. Mataji, look at
Mataji,
Sri
is this
Krishna.
good?
So beautiful. Prahlad, very
I
nice.
messed up in the lips.
Where is that?
Okay, Sri
No.
Krishna, very beautiful Sri Krishna.
Prahlad,
Prahlad,
it's
very
nice.
beautiful. Rishikesh, very beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you, Mataji.
Sri Krishna, Rishikesh, Prahlad, Akshita.
You draw very
Prasanna.
small, nobody can see that.
Thank you, Mataji.
I also drew very small because I was looking at the phone and then drawing.
Shreyas.
Can you all send pictures in the wow? Shreyas, very nice.
Oh,
Please send
Shreyas is
pictures
very
in the
beautiful.
group. Yeah.
Akshita is also showing. Akshita.
Akshita's I saw already, Mataji.
Oh, you saw her? Okay.
Very, very nice. It's much nice than mine. Very
Okay.
beautiful.
Who else is showing me?
And I show
Okay, Bala Vrinda want to show. Okay, show.
that thing is still.
Okay, I'll remove that thing. Okay.
Okay, wait, Mataji.
Where is Balavrinda?
Mataji, she drew very, very small. Mataji, I don't know if it is visible also.
It's okay. She can show. She can draw. Bring it close. Wow, she drew very nicely. Good job, Balavrinda.
We can't see.
It's small.
She is small. She drew small. But see, all of you are great artists. See, in just 15 minutes, you all did super. Wonderful job. Keshavi,
Oh,
very
Keshavi. So pretty, Keshavi.
Keshavi, you don't post in the group. You have to post so that others will see and get encouraged.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay.
Okay, we can.
Did you show yours?
In Nanish Pampis.
If everybody seen teacher, let's close because it's already 7:17. The other class is about to start. So we will close the call. Vancha kalpa tarobhyasya.
पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। अनंत कोटि वैष्णववृंद की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। थैंक यू माताजी। हरे कृष्णा।
Jai. All ki jai. Hari bol. Bye bye.